Wealth is not to feed our egos, but to feed the hungry and to help people help themselves. A library outranks any other thing a community can do to benefit its people. It is an ever-failing spring in the desert. A man who acquires the ability to take full possession of his own mind may take possession of anything else to which he is justly entitled. There is no class so pitiably wretched as that which possesses money and nothing else. I resolved to stop accumulating and begin the infinitely more serious and difficult task of wise distribution. People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. No man becomes rich unless he enriches others. It marks a big step in your development when you come to realize that other people can help you do a better job than you could do alone. The man who dies rich dies disgraced. Put all your eggs in one basket and then watch that basket. Surplus wealth is a sacred trust, which its possessor is bound to administer in his lifetime for the good of the community. When fate hands us a lemon, let's try to make lemonade. If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes. All human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes. Perhaps the most tragic thing about mankind is that we are all dreaming about some magical garden over the horizon, instead of enjoying the roses that are right outside today. Do your duty and a little more, and the future will take care of itself. As I grow older, I pay less attention to what people say. I just watch what they do. There is little success where there is little laughter. I don't believe in God. My God is patriotism. Teach a man to be a good citizen, and you have solved the problem of life. Subscribe for more, like, and share.